Chapter 17, Southern Sudan, 2009. "What do you think we are building here?" Nya's father asked, smiling. "A house?" Nya guessed. "Or a barn?" Her father shook his head. "Something better," he said. "A school." Nya's eyes widened. The nearest school was half a day's walk from their home. Nya knew this because Deb had wanted to go there, but it was too far. "A school?" she echoed. "Yes," he replied. "With the well here, no one will have to go to the pond anymore. So all the children will be able to go to school." Nya stared at her father. Her mouth opened, but no words came out. When at last she was able to speak, it was only in a whisper. "All the children, Papa? The girls, too?" Her father's smile grew broader. "Yes, Nya, girls, too," he said. "Now go and fetch water for us." And he returned to his work, scything the long grass. Nya went back and picked up the plastic can. She felt as if she were flying. School! She would learn to read and write.